That's the bird.
Call my lawyer.
Wow.
He talking to us?
Guess so.
Okay.
All right.
You found something suspicious in your
Oh,
house.
that's called personality.
That's funny.
Not really. I should try having one. No way! Who are you and how did you enter here without permission?
Why do you harass my daughter every day?
Wait, what? Harass? I don't even have feelings for her. She's not even average because she looks like you.
Sir, we have your fingerprints on the evidence.
Then frame it, because you finally found something worth keeping. And don't worry, I don't charge for inspiration. You may go now.
Oh,
Why are you here? I told you I live alone.
we know you are hiding
Please,
something.
the only thing I'm hiding is your girlfriend's DM list.